Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media channel, your go-to destination for the latest updates, in-depth reviews, and expert insights into the automotive world. In this video, we take a comprehensive look at the 2026 Genesis GV80, a luxury SUV that continues to redefine the segment with its cutting-edge features, refined performance, and distinctive design. The 2026 Genesis GV80 carries forward the brand's philosophy of blending elegance with power. Its exterior styling is bold yet sophisticated, featuring the iconic crest grille, sleek dual-line LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic body that gives it a commanding road presence. The attention to detail is impressive, with crisp body lines, flush door handles, and premium finishes that elevate the SUV's aesthetic appeal. Under the hood, the GV80 is offered with two powertrain options. The base model comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, delivering a smooth and responsive drive with around 300 horsepower. For those seeking more performance, there's the available 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that pushes out approximately 375 horsepower, ensuring robust acceleration and confident highway cruising. Both engine variants are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers seamless shifts and optimized fuel efficiency. The driving dynamics of the GV80 are further enhanced by its adaptive suspension system and optional all-wheel drive, which work together to provide a comfortable yet agile ride. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the open highway, the GV80 maintains composure and refinement. The available terrain mode selector adds an extra layer of capability for those who occasionally venture off-road or drive in varied conditions. Inside, the 2026 GV80 offers a cabin that exemplifies luxury and technology. High-quality materials such as Napa leather, open-pore wood, and metal accents create a serene and upscale environment. The seating is both supportive and comfortable, with available massage functions and multi-way adjustability for front occupants. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom, with optional captain's chairs and amenities like climate control, window shades, and heated seats. Technology is a major highlight in the GV80. The SUV comes with a large infotainment display that stretches over 14 inches, offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice recognition, and a premium navigation system. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable views and vital driving information in an easy-to-read format. A head-up display is also available, projecting key data onto the windshield for safer driving. For audiophiles, the GV80 offers an exceptional Lexicon premium sound system, delivering crystal-clear audio through a network of strategically placed speakers. Wireless device charging, multiple USB ports, and a comprehensive ambient lighting system add to the cabin's futuristic and convenient design. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Genesis GV80 continues to set high standards. It is equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems including forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Genesis has also included its advanced highway driving assist, which combines adaptive cruise and lane centering for semi-autonomous highway driving, enhancing both safety and comfort on long trips. In terms of cargo space, the GV80 offers plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or gear. The second and third row seats fold flat to create a large and versatile load area, ideal for families or travelers. Overall, the 2026 Genesis GV80 impresses with its refined powertrains. Luxurious interior, innovative tech features, and strong safety credentials. It offers serious competition to established luxury brands while maintaining its unique identity and value proposition. Whether you're looking for a daily driver, a family hauler, or a road trip companion, the GV80 stands out as a well-rounded and stylish SUV option. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Auto Pulse Media for more car reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights.